Now for my third and final invention. Wow, how did things get here? Watch till the end and find out. Genius inventor GOATeejay here, and I've come up with a new, life-changing, world-altering invention. But first, the introduction. The GOAT himself is back again with another video, and we hit 100 subscribers! That's triple digits right there. We have finally, after a couple months, gotten to that mark. Thank you all for subscribing, tagging along. I really do appreciate it. Now to your scheduled programming. Codename TJ here, to better articulate the inventions my alter ego has come up with. His impressive mind has thought of 3 inventions, never before proposed. The first invention will revolutionize energy and the way the world is fueled in today's day and age. It's simple. Take an ordinary solar panel and configure a lamp to be powered by said solar panel. Then hook the lamp up over top of the solar panel. Take it in the sun for a quick second, then boom, the lamp will produce identical solar radiation to the sun, causing the solar panel to continue powering the lamp. And whatever spare energy could be collected, therefore creating infinite, free, clean energy. Genius, right? I can see you. Your mind's blown right now as you're watching this. And that first invention leads us right into the second invention, which will revolutionize space travel and deep sea exploration. Let's use space as an example. Take an ordinary astronaut spacesuit. Remove the oxygen tanks. In its place an infinite energy solar radiation rig, which will also power the suit. Connect a water tank and an ordinary houseplant. Use the infinite energy rig to power a light bulb and sprinkler system for the plant. Also, add a window for a little authentic solar energy because you'll be in space. So now, the astronaut or deep sea explorer in their respective oxygen-free environment will have a self-renewing carbon dioxide oxygen cycle with their breath feeding the plant and the plant feeding them oxygen. Infinite oxygen. Well, until the water runs out or, another genius idea. I know, my massive IQ of 2 is astounding, isn't it? Now, for my third and final invention, it will revolutionize accessibility. Now, you see people rolling in wheelchairs all the time. What about when their arms get tired of rolling the wheels constantly? Well, that problem is now solved. You take the main motion component from a bike, add a gear and pedal system to the wheelchair, and if they're tired of using their hands to roll it, they can just use their leg. They can use their leg. Why'd you stop? Because you're stupid. How am I stupid? This is to help the differently able. Why are they in a wheelchair? I don't know. Maybe they got tired? No. In most cases, they can't use their legs. Oh. You're such an idiot. You don't even have 100 subscribers. And you already got us canceled. Great job. Wait. What if I change the timeline? Now for my third and final invention. Shut up and end the video. No, I'm smarter than you. What, you think you're better than me? Indubitably. I don't know what that means. But let's see if you're better than this. God. Wait, Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, comment, and like. And you might as well watch another one. This whole video is satire.
Yep,
it's a joke.
Me.
Don't get too
Probably
butthurt.
wondering how
Come
I
on,
got
man.
into this situation. Well, let's start from the beginning. If you clicked on this video, you're probably short, or you find me entertaining for some reason, or both. Well, I'm gonna show you how to become taller. But first, intro time. GOATeejay, 80 subs. Thank your new 12 subs